Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting now? Plug Chromecast into an available HDMI port and power it with the supplied USB adapter. Once done, switch the Samsung TV to that HDMI input and enable HDMI CEC in TV settings if needed. This allows remote control. Make sure your phone or tablet is on the exact same Wi-Fi network as the Chromecast. Open the Google Home app and follow the on-screen prompt to add a new device. This begins pairing and network configuration immediately. You'll finalize settings now. In Google Home, name the Chromecast and grant location and network permissions so casting is reliable. Once connected, open a supported app or Chrome. Tap the cast icon and choose your Chromecast name. The content streams directly to the Samsung TV. If you want whole screen or better quality, set TV picture to 16:9 and match the Chromecast resolution in the app where available. Make sure HDMI CEC remains enabled so play/pause works with the Samsung remote. You're almost done. Test playback and confirm audio goes to the desired output, TV speakers or an AVR, and adjust in the TV or app audio settings. If casting stutters or disconnects, reboot the Chromecast and your router by unplugging each for about 10 seconds, then reconnect. This often resolves IP conflicts. If problems persist, perform a factory reset by holding the Chromecast button until the LED flashes, then rerun Google Home Setup. This clears persistent pairing or network issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.